Hi everyone, Rodrigo here once again for one more data analysis class, and today I'm gonna show you how to update icons in your dashboard. So check it out. So guys, here you can see my Google screen. In my Google screen, I'm just going to the search bar and I will put it free icon, the name. Then you put it, the name, and then enter. And just moving down and you will see this website over here called freeicon.io. So click once, just open. This is a free website, okay guys? Obviously they have a premium version, but for our case, in our case, we can use just the free version and we will succeed, okay? No problem with that. Just click on once in here in this bar chart and this search bar, and then just type the name of the icon that you are looking for example, money. In my case, I'm gonna looking for money icons, and when I click and enter, I will see all these results over here. Just choose one, and then in each icon you have two options. The first one is called SVG and the second one PNG. Okay, when we click in SVG version, which means that our computer will recognize this icon as a shape, a normal shape, a graphic. So and as a result, we can just paint this icon in PowerPoint, for example. But when we click in PNG, which means that this icon will be replaced to picture, and in this case we cannot just painting easily. So my recommendation for you is just click in SVG version, for example this one, then click once, click on free, and you will see the results with a big number .svg. Just moving back to your computer, move to the folder that you will see the results, for example this one, then copy, then open a PowerPoint. For example, this is my second clue for you. Just pass the icon over here and you will see the results. But as I told you before, we just selected SVG version, which means that now when we click 2 times, we will see this graphic format table. This is a high table, but when you click twice, we can see this table, and then move on to this part, graphic fields. And click once, select the color. For example, I will select this one. In this case, not so good. I just wanna to replace the black in my icon, not the white. So I will move on to graphic outline, click once, and then change the color. That's perfect. And to finalize our project, we have to click once with the right button of the mouse, then move on to save as picture. Click in save as picture and then save this icon as a PNG version, okay? So in my case will be money icon. Then I will click in the save as type once and change for PNG. Why PNG? Because I don't want a background in my icon, okay? I just want the color of my icon and my icon without background. That's why I choose PNG. So click and save, and now you will see your icon over here as a picture. Look at money icon. If I click here, I can see this icon without background. This is a perfect version of icon to use in my dashboard, okay? So guys, that's my clue for you to use icon in our dashboards, in our BI project. So if you like it, don't forget to thumbs up, don't forget to comment below. If you know another website, just share with us. Will be really helpful for us and for others that look at this video in the future. And also, if you know someone that this content will be helpful, don't forget to share, all right? So see you in the next video. Bye.